Want to know how to find trending sounds on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to find trending sounds in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Here tap on the add sound option at the top of your screen. Likewise, tap on the magnifying glass icon. Furthermore, tap on the Discover More Sound option and scroll down to the playlist section. Similarly, tap on the See All option right beside the playlist. Here you can see various options of trending songs in different parts of the world. Now select according to your preference. Moreover, I am selecting trending sounds in Bangladesh. Here you can see all the sounds that are trending in Bangladesh. So this is how to find trending sounds on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.